The person I chose to critique from my group was Rebella. The theme of hers I chose to look at was nature. The photo consists of grass in the foreground and a campus home in the background that's out of focus. How effectively does the artist use elements and principles of design photography in composing the image? I decided to list the compositional elements I found within the photo and then describe them. First, rule of thirds. If the photo were split into 9 equal boxes, the focus of the image, which in this case is the grass, would line up along the lines. Color. The bright green grass, the blue skies, and the earthy tones of the house make for a great eye-catching photograph. Symmetry. It's not perfect, but if the image were split down the middle, it would be pretty even on both sides, making it symmetrical. Foreground and depth. Like mentioned before, the grass takes up the foreground of the image, while the house and tree are in the background, adding depth to this picture. Shape. There are a wide variety of shapes found within this photo, like the rectangular blades of the grass, the cylinder-like tree trunk, the squares and rectangles found within the home structure. Texture. It's almost like you can feel the grass-like texture as it's so clearly defined in this image. You can also see the texture of the bark of the tree and the brick of the home. Rule of odds. This image has 3 major aspects to it: the tree, the house, and the grass. Therefore, rule of odds is present. Fill the frame. It's not entirely, but the grass takes up a majority of this image. Simplicity. This image is well done without being overbearing. Worm's eye view. This image is taken at eye level of the grass, viewing upward. Complementary colors. The blue of the sky complements the dark orange-like brown of the tree and the home. Balance. The house in the background to the right of the frame balances out the main focus of the grass that is towards the left of the frame. Pattern. You can find patterns within the blades of the grass or the bricks and windows frames of the home. Form. This can be found with the cylinder-like tree casting a shadow upon the side of the house. What is this image about? To me, this image is about the simple nature found around our campus. It's hard in college when you feel secluded from our surrounding nature and almost trapped from the outside world. So it's nice to appreciate the simple things like this from time to time. It's easy to get caught up and forget how beautiful our earth really is and how lucky we are to live where we do. What would you change about this image? For me, there isn't much I would change about this image. If anything, I would try taking this image from a variety of different angles and see what else I can get into the background. What could use improvement within the image/composition? I think the background could be more thought out or maybe in focus. I like the out of focus as it is now, but it'd be interesting to see it all in clear, crisp focus. I would also be interested to see something in the grass. For example, maybe leaves in the yard or maybe even an animal. Overall, I enjoyed this image and thought Sydney did a really great job with including various compositional elements and principles of design.